Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today's going to be simple and easy, a quick fruit sorbet with a little bit of veggie. So I'll be using this frozen fruit that I got from Costco, and it's frozen, and I normally do this as a blend for my kids, but instead I decided to do a little treat a little bit differently so they could eat it and enjoy it a lot better. So this is inside of the bag, and I'll be putting the frozen mixed fruits inside my food processor with a little bit of honey. And I'll be adding, of course, like I do their smoothies, I add a little bit of veggie and healthy stuff, and that's the purpose of it, because they don't really eat a lot of vegetables. Well, my youngest one does, but my older one doesn't. So of course, if you heard about the moringa leaf powder, this is an awesome product. Go search about that. I'll be sprinkling a little bit of that inside and chopping up a little bit of spinach. Of course, everything's washed, you guys, and I'll be doing a quick blend. So don't overkill it with too much ingredients or veggies, because you do want the kids to eat it. So right here, I'm just showing you how I'm using the blend, and if it cakes up on top like that, just stop it, push it down, and start again, and you'll get this consistency. So you could do a lot of different flavors. You could freeze this up to, I think about maybe 2 weeks, but they eat it all in one day. I'm about to make another one, but limit a little bit less of the greens, just so they can enjoy it and still be healthy at the same time. And I hope this helped while sitting at home in this heat, and have something healthy to give the kids, where a lot of stuff I can't find right now, a lot of organic stuff I can't find. But so anyways, hope this helped. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button. Bye bye now.